Hello everyone, my name is Chris Mann, City Manager for the City of Canyon Lake. I wanted to speak to the community today regarding the emergency order the city issued on March 31st. As of today, April 2nd, there are 3 confirmed cases of COVID-19 within the gates of the city, and 371 cases countywide. Riverside County Department of Public Health currently projects that there will be 50,000 cases in the county by the end of this month. On March 19th, the Governor of California issued a stay-at-home order declaring that non-essential business close and families remain in their homes unless they need essential supplies or work in an essential industry. Since then, many in our community have risen to the challenge and have abided by this order, and we thank you for that. However, the city has received mounting reports and complaints of people in our city who have been violating these orders. These violations have included large house parties, one with reportedly over 50 people in attendance, boat parties, groups congregating in parks, and allowing children to climb on playground equipment that has been closed to the public, golfing, and non-essential businesses continuing to operate. These types of violations are putting the community at risk, which is why the city issued new orders on March 31st. Now, there's been some confusion about these orders that I'd like to clarify. These orders are largely the same as the orders we were already under from the state, county, and the POA. The major difference is that people now need to avoid gatherings of any size with anyone who does not live in the home with them. We need to prevent cross-contamination. People can still go to the grocery store to pick up food at a restaurant, to a medical appointment, on a walk, on a bike ride, on their boats, etc. However, they can only do these activities by themselves or with other people who live in their house with them. They cannot, for example, go fishing with their neighbor or have extended family gather at their home. Also, for the most part, if someone owns a business or works in an industry that was considered essential before, that will not change with these orders. We ask residents to please read the order, which is available on the city's website, for a comprehensive list of exceptions. The other big change is that City Enforcement Department officers, along with the Riverside County Sheriff's Department, are authorized to enforce these orders and issue criminal citations if necessary. That being said, the city does not plan on taking a punitive approach. This is not martial law, and we will not be arresting anyone for violating these orders. Rather, we want to help people understand the orders and how to comply. We will provide copies of the orders and give people every opportunity to come into compliance. However, should some become defiant by refusing to comply or by repeating an offense, they may be issued a notice to appear in court to answer to misdemeanor charges. We want to work with all of our residents and businesses to maximize health and safety. We understand that these guidelines are new and a drastic departure from how we're used to living our lives, especially here in Canyon Lake. But these regulations are only temporary. We urge your cooperation in complying with these orders because they will make our community safer and will save lives. I'd like to end by thanking you. The vast majority of the city has taken this threat seriously. Most are taking appropriate precautions by staying at home and social distancing. What's more, I have been touched by the kind and generous nature of so many of our residents who have gone out of their way to offer food, supplies, and assistance to those in need. Canyon Lake remains a wonderful city with friendly and caring people. Let's all do our part to keep each other safe and to get through this difficult time as quickly as possible.